Welcome guys. Let's do FTX token technical analysis and price prediction for this bull run. So please watch this video complete and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Join me on Telegram and Twitter, links are in this video's description. And please watch this video until end because in this video I am going to show you my immediate short-term target, long-term targets and my target of this bull run. That's why please watch this video until end. Current rank of FTX token is 24 and the price of the FTX token is $56 right now, and it is centralized exchange token and native token of FTX, and market cap of this token is $6.7 billion. That is very huge. 24-hour trading volume of this token is $590 million, and that is good. Circulating supply of this token is just 120 million, which is very low, and total supply of this token is 336 million, which is also very low, and that is why this token has very bright future. Let me please show you some statistics. After that I will show you the website. Here you can see on Wednesday 31st July 2019 price of this token was $1.71 only, and after that price goes to $84 in this year. Let me please show you all-time high. All-time high of this token was on September 9, 2021, about 18 days ago, and the price was $84. And all-time low of this token was on September 6, 2019, about two years ago, and the price was $1.15. In 1 year, this token gives 37% profit to its holder. That is a good profit, and it is available on Binance, Bitfinex, HitBTC, FTX, and some other important exchanges. And if you want to buy this token on Binance exchange, just go to in this video's comment section where you can get a pin message and the Binance exchange link. This is Binance exchange link. Click on this link and create your account, and after initial deposit you can get $700 bonus. You can also get Fimex $1,200 bonus and Bybit $1,600 bonus, and the chance to grab $6,000 Bybit airdrop. Let me please show you. Here you can see upcoming event, and you can get 5 million BTT tokens as airdrop, and you can get up to 3500 BTT free tokens, and it is based on the hourly snapshot of your wallet balance over 5 days period. And here you can see only 22 hours remaining. The only thing you have to do is register with my affiliate link with this link and create your account, and after initial deposit of 100 USD, and please complete your KYC, and after that you will be eligible. And after that this button will appear in front of you on this page. Here you can see join button, and here you can see you have successfully joined the event. That is how you can join this event, and the price of this token is around about $1.40 right now. And let me please show you my some other statistics and this website. This is FTX website, and here you can see it is very important exchange token. And here you can see, here you can do futures trading, spot trading, leverage tokens, and price prediction, and you can also stake your tokens. Please visit this website by your own, and let me please show you the charts. First of all, I have to show you 4 hourly chart, and here you can see it is 4 hourly chart of FTX USDT pair. After creating this top $85 price area, it is in this descending channel. On every touch, this is upper trend line, this is down trend line of this descending channel. On every touch, price pullback. Here you can see price pullback, and here you can see price also pullback. Here you can see price pullback. Whenever price touch this upper trend line, price pullback, and whenever price touches this downtrend line, price also pull back. And here you can see several touches. Now what is next? First of all, we have to look at this area. This area is very important. Let me please show you what is the area. This is the area. This is the horizontal support area. and it is the area. First of all, this is the area. It is from $53 to $49 price area. This is very strong support for the FTX token, and once it break this, in that case price can go down to retest $43 price zone. This zone is also very important, and price can go down to $43 to $42. This area, these two are major support for the FTX token right now. And the third major support is at this area, $37 price area. Let me please show you some indicators. First of all, I have to show you EMA ribbon, and here you can see in 4 hourly candles are trying to break this EMA ribbon. Once candle break this EMA ribbon and break this upper trend line, in that case new rally of the upside will begin very shortly, in very short period, and we have to wait until 4 hourly candle closing above $58 price area. Let me please hide this, and let me please show you CPR levels. These are monthly CPR levels and very important CPR levels. These 3 yellow lines are very important CPR levels, and it is starting from $44 to $47 price area. And here you can see this is CPR target 1. How successfully FTX hit this target. After that was the target, second target, and after that was the third target. And after hitting this third target and this creating this top, price is at $55 price area, and maybe it can go down to retest this zone, $47 to $44 price area, and that is a very strong support for this token. And after hitting this this area, I think price have to bounce back, and after that it have to break this area, and after that new rally of this token will start like this, and we have to wait until it broke $55 price area. And let me please show you my next chart. And if you still not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon right now, and please do me favor, please share this video with your friends. Let me please show you my next chart. This is daily chart, and here you can see, sorry for that, I'm very much sorry for that. Let me please, this is the top on daily chart, and after creating this top at $84 price area, it is now at $56 price area, and in between this horizontal channel. This is the channel, and it is a very important channel, and the price is moving in between this channel. Once it broke this area, $58 to $60 price area, this area, after that new rally will start. But before this, we have to look at this trend line. This is the trend line. It must have to break. Once it broke this trend line and this horizontal upper line, horizontal channel upper line, in that case I think price can move like this. This will be the possible scenario, but we have to wait for this kind of breakout from this horizontal channel, and the breakout from this trend line. We have to wait, and until now maybe we may see some sideways action like this. And let me please show you, here you can see it is the major support area for FTX token. Here you can see $47 price area, and here you can see after every big move it takes some times, and this time is called consolidation period, and after that new move starts. Here you can see price was at $27 and price hit $58. After that some consolidation, price goes down to $43, and after hitting $43 to $44 price area, price moved parabolically, and after hitting $84 price area, price again down to hit $48, and now new rally after breaking this area, $60 price area will start, and after that this will break this new all-time high, and will create new all-time high very soon. we have to watch it very clearly. And let me please remove some drawings, and let me please do this. Once it broke this horizontal channel, and this, in that case, our next target will be this area, $74 price area. Sorry for that, we have to consider it again. And this is the area, $74, 73.82 or $74 price area. And if unfortunately it loses this support zone, in that case the next support area is this area, $41 price area. Let me please show you some indicators. Let me please show you EMA ribbon. This is daily EMA ribbon, and candles are trying hard to break this EMA ribbon. Once candles break this EMA ribbon and close daily candle above $60 price area, the area that I mentioned before, new rally of upside will definitely start after breaking this area. And let me please hide this indicator, and let me please show you monthly CPR levels. Here you can see it hit these levels, and this is the major support area in between $43 to $46, but I think $41 to $47 is the main area because of this support and resistance levels, and because of these CPR monthly support lines, major support lines and major CPR lines. Let me please show you my next chart, and it is weekly chart. Let me please manage this, and let me please show you. This is all-time high on weekly chart is $85 price area, and after that price is now at $55 price area. And this is the support zone. This is the support zone, $42 price area, and this is also a support zone is at $34 price area. These are major support zone in weekly time frame. And here you can see it was in this ascending channel, but unfortunately, please look this carefully. Unfortunately, it break this towards downside. Here you can see, and close daily candle below this. Once it broke this area, $62 or $63 price area, in the and close daily candle above this area, in that case new rally will start, and we may see actions like this, and price will definitely move towards upside. Until now, we have to wait. Let me please remove these drawings, and this is the important area we have to look at. Maybe price can retest this zone, and after retesting this zone, maybe price can move like this, and after once it broke this, according to the support and resistance base, our target will be like this. Let me please zoom this $81 to $85 price area, the same area I mentioned, and it will create new all-time high after breaking this zone. And once it broke this towards downside, in that case $34 is the strong support. And let me please show you EMA ribbon. It is weekly EMA ribbon, and candles are far away from this EMA ribbon, and that is a very good sign, because this is a support zone, $47 price area, and last support is at $31 price area because of this EMA ribbon. And let me please hide this EMA ribbon, and let me please show you Fibonacci levels. For this I have to measure this from bottom to top. Let me please consider it, and let me please fix it. Here you can see it is in between 0.38 to 0.23 Fibonacci level, in between $52 to $64 price area. Once it broke 0.23 $64 price area, next level is this, and price can hit its all-time high again. And once it broke this area 0.38, in that case next area is 0.5 and which is very important zone, and it is at $42 price area. And after that 0.61 the golden pocket, and it is at $33 price area. I think price can retest this zone 0.5 Fibonacci level, and after retesting this zone $42 0.5 Fibonacci level, price can move towards upside. And let me please remove this, and now let me please show you the target. I think this is very important for all of us. Let me please arrange this chart. Let me please. I think this token can easily hit this level, this upper level, and it is at this zone. Let me please show you. $400 price area. I think it can hit 400 to 500 in between this area, and my target for this bull run is this area, $400 to $500 price area, in between this area. And this is my final target for this bull run, and I think this is very realistic target. These are the final targets I think this token can hit. And this is my technical analysis, guys. If you like this, then please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon right now, share this video with all of your friends, and keep supporting me. And if you want to get these bonuses, $700 bonus of Binance, $1,200 bonus of Fimex, $1,600 bonus of Bybit Exchange, and $6,800 airdrop bonus of Bybit, then please go to in this video's description where you can get links, and click on these links and register your account, and after initial deposit you can get these bonuses. Thanks for the watching, and always keep supporting me. Take care.